we're going to interview Kyoko Getz. Hello, Kyoko.
I'm Kyoko. I've been in the skincare industry for over 20 years. I'm a licensed esthetician based in California. I'm co-founder of Ola Skincare, and then also I'm a director of education at the Chico Beauty.
It seems like on social media, there's been a lot of talk about trends. You have been working on, I wouldn't say a trend, it's more science behind it, but is carboxy mask or carboxy ingredients.
But this is truly proven to work. So how the carbonic therapy mask works is that it's a citric acid and then also sodium bicarbonate creates the CO2, but the gel form traps the CO2 and then penetrate to the skin. Your skin absorbs carbonic acid, your body thinks you need more oxygen. So it increases blood circulation.
We're not actually putting the client in a dome or spraying additional oxygen. This is just a topical mask application.
So it's very, very, very versatile. It's great for any treatment. So hi, I'm Kyoko Getz. I'm a director of education at Chico Beauty. We are so excited to join NASNPRO in Philadelphia in October. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you.